Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Sorkar Jilla Konrad Kongkel Sangma habaya keren mat kilap pathai khubor menta kasngi ke khan reu tari kubnai kela lengkot arajar arpulai ulong ba ke Sorkar kala perkhat ban bu no da ka robwe na ke jinya lenti na jrong do utulai na viewpoint bat yementa ke Sorkar Jilla kadang up ya ke jing menjor bat ke pisa ke badai ban yo na ke Sorkar kemi ha ka ba kam kadang ya syakman Ulo ong susu bahag kabayadai bat kani an pentemai bat penbahai ki jaka ki badan kani ka ropwe bat ukonrat sangma ulo ai kubleiru ya ka right lapan kabana menjor banya soy ka soskular bat ka Sorkar Jilla bat kermen lingba kani kan wanra ya ka jing itenan bat ru kilat ban kring ki nongman jengok kai perthai na keleng ki benta jong kari kumbala tip baka Shillong viewpoint kadai ka jaka ka babontam ka jingwan ki nong jengok kai perthai Bat ngidon ke jingkermen bahkan la ban kring susu ye ki breu na keleng ki jaka ke ban yarap ru hakal yang ke yarong pisa jong ke Sorkar Jilla.
With the right Laban Dorbar to now take the entire Shillong viewpoint land on lease from the Dorbar to the tourism department. This is a 35-year lease where now the government of Meghalaya will set up a ropeway for which we have organized all the funding and the projects and everything is ready. We are waiting for a few permissions that are pending, which we should get soon. And we will be developing this entire sector, the ropeway and the entire place on top into a very high-end tourist location. And we are very happy and thankful to the Right Laban Dorbar for having signed this MOU with us, and I'm sure that this will completely change the experience for all the tourists and visitors in the days to come. The Shillong Peak viewpoint, the Shillong viewpoint is actually one of the most visited sites in the state with one of the highest footfalls, and hence we feel that it's got a huge potential. And so by taking this step, I'm sure that it will really exponentially increase the overall value of that location.